Okay, hey, I am going to show you a hyperlapse of with the Mini 3 Pro, and I did two hyperlapses. Both were 12.5 seconds long, so it took me roughly, and I'm looking here, it took me roughly 25 minutes to get those two hyperlapses. Probably 2 minutes setup time, so we're at 27, and then I shot another 5 minutes of video, so we're looking at 32 minutes, and I had 8 minutes left when I landed on the big battery. So tell me what you think, and it did a pretty darn good job. Some people are saying that there's a lot of shake and it's not real stable in hyperlapse. Mine wasn't too bad. I didn't do any corrections. I did a little bit of color correction on some of it, and you'll see that it varies a little bit. But hey, tell me what you think in the comments, and have fun.